back to the No Limit Crypto channel, a channel where I bring you daily market updates from the crypto streets. Right now, we're gonna look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is forming a nice continuation pattern, a possible trade for us. We're gonna start off here on the weekly chart. Just a quick recap. On the weekly chart, last week closed a green candle, and also last week we saw a bullish cross on the 9 and 20 week moving average, which is a huge bullish signal in general. Last time we had a bullish cross was down here at 8k, and we all know what kind of move we made after that. Obviously, we can't know if this move is gonna be similar, but it is going to be a bullish thing, or it is a bullish thing for us. So let's look at the 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. We have this nice bullish triangle, or not triangle, bullish rectangle forming, which is a bullish pattern. It's a continuation pattern for us. So what we're expecting, or what we're looking for here, is a break of this small little support line up here, and after that a move to the upside. And this is basically, we can see that it's almost a perfect rectangle. I kind of do discount these two candles because we had some weird, crazy market volatility happening. We pushed up, we pushed down. I don't really know what happened in the markets, but that happened on all coins. So other than that, this is a nice, really beautiful rectangle, which is a continuation pattern. And what we're looking for on the 4-hour time frame is a break to the upside. So once we have a candle closing above this support line, or this resistance line right here, that's when we can consider entering. And some things that also are nice for Bitcoin, we have broken all those possible bearish divergences. And if we take a look at the MACD on the 4-hour time frame had a bullish cross yesterday, which is obviously a nice signal, and us closing above the 50k line last week means major things. I'm still a bit skeptical that I think that there's going to be a pullback at some point, not a big pullback. I think it's gonna be something like us hitting 60k and then pulling back to 50k. Around that mark, there's gonna be a bit of a larger pullback before we're ready for all-time highs. That's just my opinion. But we have a pretty free passage over here towards 58k. If you look at back here, if I can find it fairly quickly. So we had this quick fall from 58k to 50k once we started going down on that short downtrend. And what this means is that there is not going to be a lot of resistance over here for us, which means that we could make a really quick move to the upside right here. And if you're trading this specific pattern, don't look for 58k. That's maybe not realistic for this pattern. But you could make something like 54, 55, 53. A small gain on this one, because we're still kinda due a quick pullback down to the 50k line. We really haven't pulled back here yet, and it doesn't mean that it has to happen, but it often happens once we break supports or resistances that we come back and test them. So it's definitely a possibility that it's going to happen. But right now I'm looking at breaking this upper resistance line right here at around 52k and closing above 52k. Remember, a closing candle and some volume, some extra volume, just to make the move stick. That's what I'm looking at right now. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Peace out.